looking at her. We are going to share with you our latest sequence of West Coast swing that we taught at Nick's Nightclub every Thursday. So if you came tonight, thank you. If you can't come but watch videos, thank you just as much. First part of this move was a whip with an inside turn. Basic 8 counts, nothing fancy yet. But we'll show it to you. We showed in class. Triple, raise her hand, send her back to where she was. Okay, nothing different on that. So this is direction. Pull her in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Raise her right hand. Turn her to her left. Send her back down the track. Okay. First part of this fancy part is still the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Raise her right. Turn her to her left. But by 4, I'm already starting to think about the fancy part. Got to get myself ready, because if I don't get ready, she's not going to get ready. So, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On left foot, Stephanie's on her opposite foot. I'm going to push her back onto her left foot. I'm going to rock back on my right foot. 7. Now that's hard to do when you're right in the middle of this count, but just a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Better to see it this direction because you can see her more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7. So when we're going back this way on 7 and 8, we're coming back towards each other. So for Stephanie's count, just doing her footwork, don't look at me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Stephanie's on her left foot. In the middle of a turn, I'm on my right foot, just like I normally would be on regular whip. So with my footwork included, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I'm on my right, Stephanie's on her left. So to continue in her turn, Stephanie's going to land on the first count of 1. But I'm not. I'm on 8, which is my right foot. Now I'm going to stay there for 1. So I'm going to hold for 2 counts, which really puts me on her footwork. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then 1. So as she's turning, I'm going to stop her with my right hand on her right shoulder. Now she's on her right foot, I'm on my right foot. So go in this direction so you can see how it rolls in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1. So this hand stays out, this anchors her up front, balances her, and I have more connection with the back of her shoulder. All right, so go in this direction. So you can see where I stop her, because this hand really does play roll. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1. I mean, I could technically stop her with my right hand, or her right hand, but I need this other hand in the back to make it work. So the rest of it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1. Pull her on her left foot on 2. I'm on my left foot as well, so I'm still in her footwork. So we're going to stay there 2. Finishing for her footwork, she's going to triple step, triple step. You're going to make her do turn 3/4 to the left. Guys, when you're on 2, when she does her first triple step, I don't move. But for the second one, triple step, I'm now back on my footwork. You can hold either place on those triples, guys, but I hold at the end. She doesn't even know it. It doesn't even matter. All right, so let's go this way to see the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, triple step. Then I go. Okay, so front to back. See how that flows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm off the track the entire time until the end. And we're good. So last time. Sugar push, whip with an inside turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, rock and go. 1 together. I end, put myself back on my foot. Okay? That rock and go takes time, stopping her, because again, you've got to change your footwork, guys, without her knowing it. But it is a fun move. Works to fast music, slow music. We like it. We hope you like it. So remember, hit the like button, hit subscribe. It's free. She would really like it if you did. Do it for her. Yeah. But until next week, guys, we love your support. We thank you for watching, and as always, keep dancing.